Behold, I found two AI models that, if you follow the steps I'll show today, let you create high-quality videos and photos for free with Sora, Veo, and Nano Banana Pro. You'll get the same kind of quality as models like Sora and Veo. From a single prompt, you can generate several minutes of footage. Plus, I'm also going to give you a tool that can remove watermarks from your videos and images easily, even when the logo is moving, so your projects actually look professional. These models are insanely powerful, but they can be limited over time, so follow every step in this video to squeeze out as much as possible before restrictions kick in. Let's start. Open Gemini Gen AI and sign in. Use Google Sign In if that's easiest. Verify your email so you don't lose your work later. You can generate videos with Sora and Veo completely free and basically unlimited if you follow these steps. As you can see, it has a credit system. Do not disappoint when you see the credit counter. We're going to use it unlimited without paying a single dime anyway. Once you're in, you see a familiar interface. Click Studio tab at the top of the site. As you can see, there are interesting options to work with. Today, I want to talk about its video generation. First, switch to video mode. The interface will ask you to pick a model. As starter, you have Sora 2 to choose. It's getting interesting, huh? Sora 2 proved that it has the best balance of speed and quality. And if you want more cinematic realism, we try Veo 3.1 after we test Sora. It seems Grok video generation model will be added to Gemini Gem soon, and the site claims that it is completely free for all users, I hope. Here, if you scroll down, you'll see several options. You can pick the resolution, choose whether you want a horizontal or vertical video depending on if you're thinking about YouTube videos or shorts for TikTok and Instagram, and the big prompt box where you describe what you want to generate. Try to be specific here. What's happening? Who is in the scene? What kind of camera movement or mood you want? Now, this is what makes this whole thing worth it. As you can see, if you choose Sora 2 and set the video duration to 10 seconds, boldly it tells you that the number of credits used will be 0. That means as long as you keep it at 10 seconds, each generation is completely free and effectively unlimited. So right now, you can use both Sora and Veo like this without spending anything. Let's recap the flow. Choose the model you want, choose orientation, write or paste your detailed prompt, and generate. But it is limited to 720p. Actually, it's not a great quality for YouTube. If you want results with more quality, feel free to switch to the Veo 3.1 Fast model with same setting. In landscape ratio, you have the option to generate in 1080p, choose first and last frame, and get better results in case of quality. If you feel the AI isn't really listening to you or it keeps changing the style too much, switch to advanced mode here, and here you can specify the key characteristics you want your video to have: the mood, the environment, the overall style, the pacing, and how dynamic the camera should be. Fill everything and leave nothing empty, or if you have JSON prompt, click here and paste it easily. Yes, it supports JSON prompts, but I think JSONs are not useful anymore, and we have a new method named Tune. If you want to know more about Tune prompting, leave me a comment. Now the result. It feels less like a random clip and more like a shot you actually directed. This works with both Veo and Sora. Now it's time to go to the next step. We're going to turn those kinds of generations into full 1 or 2 minute stories without breaking the visual flow. Let's solve the main problem, duration. That's where MovieFlow AI comes in. One of the most annoying things about AI video generation is the 10-second limit. Every single time you try to tell a 3-minute story in 10-second pieces, everything falls apart. The visual flow breaks, shots don't connect, characters slightly change, and instead of a scene, it feels like a slideshow. That's exactly the problem MovieFlow AI is designed to solve. With MovieFlow AI, you can generate much longer videos per generation, up to at least 2 minutes at a time. That means real continuity, connected shots, consistent characters, and a story that actually feels like a movie, not stitched clips. Instead of fighting the 10-second wall, you build scenes that breathe. Camera movement stays consistent, the visual thread stays intact, and the final result looks dramatically more professional. If long-form AI video is what you're after, this tool changes the game. In the next step, I'll show you exactly how to use it and get the best results. First, choose the duration. You can choose 1 or 2 minutes depending on how big your idea is. Then pick the language, horizontal if you're thinking of YouTube, or vertical if you want it for Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. On top of that, this site lets you upload your own assets, so if you already have recurring characters on your channel or a specific logo or environment, you can keep using them. This is perfect for building a series. Every episode looks consistent, same characters, same style, same world. Once that's set, just write your prompt and describe the story. Be clear about what happens at the beginning, what changes in the middle, and how you want it to end. Click Create and the app builds the full video for you in just a few simple steps. No broken flow, no random character changes, just a clean, continuous scene ready to publish. There are 2 things I have to mention. The deeper you describe the scenes, the better result you get. If you're not precise about it, it can cause some inconsistencies in the story and the design, but it's still easily editable. And this site does export with a watermark, but I also have a solution for it, as I said at the beginning of the video. But first, look at the result.
With a brilliant, crafty mind.
As you scrub through the timeline, you'll notice something important. The story stays consistent. The core characters doesn't change, lighting doesn't jump around, and the camera movement feels like one continuous scene. One thing I genuinely love about this tool is the audio. It automatically adds sound and music that match what's happening, and you have access to change it or remove it. For many simple projects, you can skip editing software and just use what the AI gives you. That alone saves a huge amount of time in post-production. If your goal is automation, this is perfect. Used this way, it lets you create full videos with least manual work at all. Clean, fast, consistent. But let me clear a doubt about this platform. What if I've generated a 2-minute clip that I love except in 1 or 2 parts of it? What if the AI hallucinated and created something weird I don't like? This is where MovieFlow becomes even more powerful. If you close the preview, you'll see the project in a timeline-style editor, broken into individual clips. From here, you can do a lot of things without losing the rest of your work. You can add a clip or delete or change any bad shot without touching the rest of the video. You can replace that specific shot with a new generation that fits better, or download a single clip individually. To generate new shots in between, you can click the little plus icon between two clips. The tool analyzes how the previous clip ends and how the next one begins, and then creates a new clip that fits between them as smoothly as possible. It's perfect if you want to expand your narrative, add a reaction shot, or slow things down without rewriting the entire prompt. So here's how it comes together. With Gemini Gen, you get clean, high-quality 10-second shots. With MovieFlow, you stitch those shots into longer, coherent scenes that already include audio. At this point, the only real issue left is the watermark, and next, we're going to deal with that in a clean, professional way. Here's another trick you're going to love. The result looks amazing, but that watermark? It's distracting. If you leave it there, the video screams AI demo instead of finished content. There is a tool for this problem. Go to Magic Eraser, choose Video Watermark Remover at top of the screen, upload the video where you want to remove the logo. Wait for it to process, choose watermark type, whether it is moving or fixed, select the area around watermark carefully using the selection box, drag the box to its new location if it's moving, and cover everywhere it appears, and start processing, and let the AI do its thing. Look at the result. All the watermarks disappear cleanly with no weird artifacts, no ghost logos, and almost no blurry areas where the watermark used to be. The best part is that this works on any video you generate from any tool, not just MovieFlow, so I'm sure you're going to get a ton of value from it for future projects as well. Thank you so much for watching. Share your experience in the comments. We all learn faster together. Now go make something great. Bye!